Truly Simple Solutions. And I'm just going to show a simple thing how to download the software and actually unzip the files to show the demo or the software download for those of you who are using the Windows system. So basically, of course, you click the link to download, and then that's going to start it downloading, and then I'll end up, well, you go ahead and choose, go ahead and just click save, and then that's going to take a few minutes. I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Hi there everyone. So we're in the last few seconds of the download, and then you want to make sure that you do have FileMaker Pro already installed on your computer, because that's what it needs to run FlatRatePro. Okay, when it says the download's complete, then you go ahead and open folder. And the idea here is we want to make sure that all of the files are decompressed prior to opening. You go ahead and choose this one, which you just downloaded, FlatRatePro 2012, and you want to go ahead and right click it and then say extract all, and to make sure you know where it is later, because you've got the demo for a limited time, I recommend you select browse, choose the desktop, and say OK. And what that did was just tell it to keep this folder on a desktop. Then you click extract, and then it's going to ask you about copying this folder without encryption, and you can go ahead and say yes on that. And the same thing on this one, and one more. Okay, so then you would have said yes to those, and then you look on your desktop. This is the folder of the desktop, and you can see here that our folder FlatRatePro 2012 is there. Now you can just open that, and then there's several files in here. I do recommend you read the Getting Started demo, because that's going to give you a little bit of info that you need. I won't cover that in the video. But basically, you've got the FlatRatePro as your interface. That's the file you always open. And these are sort of background files. You don't open those directly. If you do, it'll let you know you don't have access. But this file here, FlatRatePro, is storing data in this one, and media like images, signatures, things like that in the media. And GoConnect is something you'll learn about later. So just go ahead and open FlatRatePro. And that's going to open FileMaker Pro, which you would have already installed prior to this. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and, as it says in the README file, is you log in as demo, and the password is demo. Then you click OK. And it's going to look at the folders. It may give you this warning that it can't share because network sharing's turned off. That's fine, because you're not sharing it at this time. Then it lets you know you have 10 days, and it tells you about a few things that are disabled in the demo. And the way FileMaker Pro works is it opens a window, and inside of that window is where your file is. So it's nice to make that a little bit bigger so you can see everything. And that's how you get into FlatRatePro and you can explore around in the demo. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your exploration with FlatRatePro.